In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search messages on WhatsApp web. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer and search for WhatsApp web. Click the official result that takes you to web.whatsapp.com. This is the secure web page where you can use WhatsApp from your desktop. If you see a small padlock in the address bar and the correct web address, you're in the right place. On that page, you'll see a large QR code. You'll use your phone to link your account. Open WhatsApp on your mobile device, go to the area where you manage linked devices, choose to link a new device, and point your phone's camera at the QR code on your computer screen. In a moment, your chats will load on the desktop. If you've already linked this computer before, you might be signed in automatically and won't need to scan again. Make sure both your phone and computer have a stable internet connection for the smoothest experience. Once your chats are visible, click the specific person or group where you want to search. This narrows the search to that single conversation, which makes results more relevant and faster to navigate. Inside that chat, look to the top right corner of the chat window for the magnifying glass icon. This is the chat-specific search. It's different from the general search above your chat list, so make sure you're clicking the magnifying glass within the open conversation. When you click it, a search panel appears on the right side. Type the word or phrase you're looking for. As you type, WhatsApp highlights matches in the conversation. You'll also see small up and down arrows next to the search field. Use those arrows to jump from one mention to the next and move through every occurrence in order. The chat will scroll automatically and highlight each match so you can quickly spot what you need. If your first keyword is too broad, try something more specific, like a name, a product, or a unique phrase you remember. Search isn't case-sensitive, so you don't need to worry about capital letters. If you want to start over, clear the text in the search field or click the close icon to exit the search view. That's it. Open WhatsApp web. Link your account with the QR code, select the conversation you're interested in, tap the magnifying glass, and use the search field and arrows to hop through each match. With this, you can quickly find important details without endless scrolling.